So it come out now, no lump in the porridge. So why chef no me? Next time don't put my porridge on the boil and put in a cold water, alright? Yeah man, see there? Jamaican cooking lumberjack. Please like and share. Remember to subscribe my YouTube channel. Also leave a comment.
Outside.
Natural cornmeal porridge. One seal, nice little pot. You know where I drink the porridge and go up on the work and I'm going to do some, put in some work. You know what I say? Yeah, because you know so we have to work, you know, because we don't get no hands out. Me not get no hands out, so we have to work for more, so the greatest thing we have to give thanks. So what I say? So we have to drink some porridge, get some strength. So do some work and now. So remember to like and share, remember to subscribe also. Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. We have the molasses put night, you know, this thing make it hard like a iron, you know, so the girl have to run at the bed. We have some vanilla. Liquid some nutmeg. We have little sugar, not really enough. So we have the Lasco. We don't have cinnamon. So we use the way I don't know we are creative soul, so we can create it if it tastes nice and flavor good. So remember please like and share, remember to subscribe. I lumberjack up on the app, man.